The introduction of a 5-axis machine tool to your manufacturing process adds 2 additional rotary axes to control the tool axis during the machining process. Using 5-axis machining can help minimize issues associated with multiple setups, poor cutting conditions, and interference with the machine or tool, which can occur during part manufacturing. To help with this, Fusion 360 has a range of tool axis definition options which can be predefined during the CAM programming process, simplifying your workflows and resulting in quicker success. Here, we are going to look at how a tool axis can be automatically defined with Swarf machining, which is an efficient method of machining utilizing the radial cutting edge of the tool on a component such as this aerospace frame. Looking at this part, there are many areas where using the method of Swarf machining would benefit the manufacturing process, increasing the surface finish and reducing cycle time. These areas have many different angled faces, and so will require the tool axis to transition between these different angles. Manually defining the tool axis would be a difficult task, but the Swarf toolpath simplifies the process by automatically defining these tool axes for you. Let's explore this toolpath in further detail. By selecting either the faces, or in this case contours of the surfaces to be machined, the axis is automatically determined during the toolpath calculation, so the radial edge of the tool is used to follow the geometry correctly. By simulating the toolpath, we can see how the tool follows the many different face angles and automatically transitions from one angle to the next. With a proven, easy-to-use library of defined methods for tool axis control, Fusion 360 allows you to simply and safely program the rotary axis of your 5-axis machine, increasing your manufacturing success and productivity.